Here with another brawl. Barf and Belch, Champion, Triple Strike, and Raincutter. I actually saw them all before the screen went away. Now I'm going to go in order of Champion, Triple Strike, then Raincutter, then Barf and Belch. Saving up all of my action bars to get the heal in right here, hopefully. I'm going to switch my attention over to this Raincutter. Wasn't paying attention to looking ahead, so I lost some action bars there, but it shouldn't be an issue. I should take this guy out, no problem. And there it is.